Pear peel is one of the most overlooked yet nutritionally dense parts of the pear. While many people discard it and consume only the pulp, the peel is packed with fibers, vitamins, minerals, and bioactive compounds that provide significant health benefits. Incorporating pear peel into your diet can improve digestion, cardiovascular health, cognitive function, immunity, and help manage blood sugar and weight. Modern research highlights the importance of consuming whole fruits, including their peels, as the peel often contains higher concentrations of antioxidants and dietary fibers than the flesh itself. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore how pear peel contributes to human health, the science behind its benefits, practical ways to consume it, and tips for incorporating it into your daily diet. Nutritional composition of pear peel. Pear peel is rich in nutrients, particularly soluble and insoluble fibers, essential for digestive health. Soluble fiber, mainly pectin, forms a gel in the intestines that slows sugar absorption and promotes satiety. Insoluble fiber adds bulk to the stool, enhancing bowel regularity and facilitating toxin elimination. The peel also contains antioxidants, such as flavonoids, quercetin, and catechins, which neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the body. Vitamins present in the peel include vitamin C, which supports immune function, and B-complex vitamins, which aid in energy metabolism and neurotransmitter production. Minerals like potassium, magnesium, and calcium are more concentrated in the peel than in the pulp. Potassium supports healthy blood pressure. Magnesium is essential for muscle function and energy production, and calcium is crucial for bone and dental health. Digestive health benefits. One of the primary advantages of consuming pear peel is its positive effect on digestion. The fiber content regulates bowel movements, preventing constipation and promoting gut regularity. Soluble fibers in the peel help form a gel that slows carbohydrate absorption, reducing postprandial blood sugar spikes. In addition, the fiber in pear peel fosters a healthy gut microbiota. Beneficial bacteria flourish when sufficient fiber is present, which enhances nutrient absorption, reduces intestinal inflammation, and strengthens the gut barrier. Regular consumption of pear peel can therefore lower the risk of gastrointestinal disorders such as diverticulitis and irritable bowel syndrome. Antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Pear peel is a potent source of antioxidants that protect cells from oxidative damage. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can accelerate aging and contribute to chronic diseases. The peel's bioactive compounds, particularly quercetin, catechins, and various polyphenols, counteract oxidative stress and reduce inflammation. Scientific studies indicate that quercetin can reduce vascular inflammation, protect neurons, and improve overall cellular health. By including pear peel in the diet, individuals may experience slower aging processes, lower inflammation, and enhanced protection against chronic conditions like cardiovascular disease and neurodegenerative disorders. Cardiovascular health. Pear peel supports heart health through a combination of fiber, minerals, and antioxidants. Dietary fiber lowers LDL cholesterol levels, while antioxidants prevent oxidative damage to blood vessels. Potassium in the peel aids in maintaining optimal blood pressure, reducing hypertension risk. Magnesium contributes to cardiac function and proper muscle contraction. Research shows that populations consuming fruits with intact peels experience lower rates of atherosclerosis, heart attacks, and stroke. Blood sugar regulation and weight management. Pear peel plays a role in glycemic control due to its fiber content, which slows glucose absorption and reduces insulin spikes. This is especially beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes or those seeking to prevent blood sugar imbalances. The satiety effect of the peel's fiber also supports weight management. By prolonging the feeling of fullness, it reduces overall caloric intake. Pear peel can be consumed raw, dehydrated, or blended into smoothies without adding excess calories, making it a practical option for weight-conscious individuals. Immune system support. The peel is rich in nutrients that enhance immune function. Vitamin C stimulates white blood cell production, while polyphenols and flavonoids mitigate inflammation and oxidative stress. Regular consumption of pear peel strengthens the immune system, helping the body resist infections and recover more efficiently. Brain health and cognitive function. Bioactive compounds in pear peel also benefit the brain. Antioxidants protect neurons from oxidative damage, reducing the risk of cognitive decline. Studies suggest that diets rich in flavonoids improve memory, learning, and overall mental clarity. Incorporating pear peel into meals can enhance cognitive performance, support long-term brain health, and provide protective effects against age-related neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Practical ways to incorporate pear peel. Pear peel is versatile and can be integrated into various dietary forms. 1. Smoothies and juices. Blend whole pears, peel included, to preserve nutrients and fibers. 2. Teas and infusions. Slice or chop the peel and steep in hot water for a nutrient-rich beverage. 3. Baked goods. Add peel to muffins, cakes, and bread for extra fiber and flavor. 4. Dehydrated snacks. Make crispy, nutritious chips that are perfect for snacking. 5. Purees and soups. Enrich savory dishes with fiber and bioactive compounds without affecting taste. Combining pear peel with other fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats can enhance its nutritional profile and create diverse flavors and textures. Scientific evidence and research findings. Numerous studies support the health benefits of pear peel. Cholesterol and lipid management. Consumption reduces LDL cholesterol and triglycerides. Blood sugar control. Fiber and polyphenols help regulate glycemia in diabetic patients. Anti-inflammatory effects. Flavonoids reduce markers of systemic inflammation. Gut health. Promotes a balanced microbiota and regular bowel movements. Cognitive protection. Flavonoid-rich diets correlate with slower age-related cognitive decline. Clinical research confirms that eating fruits with their peels, including pears, maximizes nutrient intake and enhances disease prevention. Tips for daily consumption. Choose organic pears to avoid pesticide residues. Wash thoroughly before eating the peel. Combine with other foods for added nutrients, yogurt, oatmeal, salads. Dehydrate for snacks to have a convenient source of fiber and antioxidants. Use in both sweet and savory dishes to exploit its nutritional value fully. Additional benefits and insights. Pear peel contributes to bone health, calcium and magnesium support, skeletal strength, skin health, antioxidants, protect against oxidative damage and aging, energy metabolism, B vitamins, aid in converting food into energy efficiently. Hydration. Pear peel retains water and promotes hydration. Including pear peel in the diet is a simple, sustainable way to increase nutrient intake and reduce food waste. Pear peel is a nutritional powerhouse, offering fibers, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that support digestive health, cardiovascular function, brain performance, and immunity. By integrating the peel into smoothies, teas, baked goods, and snacks, you can reap these benefits in a convenient and natural way. Start today by incorporating pear peel into your meals. Blend it in smoothies, add it to salads, or enjoy it as a dehydrated snack. Experience the improvements in digestion, energy, immune resilience, and overall health. Make pear peel a daily habit and unlock its full potential for your body and mind naturally and deliciously.